Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you my evening skin routine with affordable drugstore products that work perfectly for all skin types. If you are looking for get glowing healthy skin without compromising on quality, this video is for you. Evening skincare routine with the affordable drugstore products. I'll be walking you through my step-by-step evening skincare routine using some of the best, most affordable products you can find right at your local drugstore. These are tried, tested, and guaranteed to help you achieve that fresh, hydrated look we all love. So grab your cozy drink, settle in, and let's dive into this evening skin routine with affordable drugstore products that will change your skin game without breaking the bank. So what do you think, guys? I think you will love all this you see on your screen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit this notification bell so you don't miss more tips and tricks on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Now let's get started. By the way, if you don't know who I am Essie, your girl for all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome to my space. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Essie from your fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, guys. So today it's in the evening already, and I'm going to show you my routine, the products I use for my skincare. I don't use most of them. I don't use them every day, but at least I do I will go by and show you what I use. Okay, my main product I use for removing my makeup is Nivea Micellar water. This is amazing. I used to use Garnier, but now I started using Nivea because Nivea was my main product from the lotions and all the stuff. Deo, I've been using them for decades. So after I found this, I don't know why I didn't even use it earlier. I don't know, but look at that. It's almost finishing. So yeah, it smells amazing. I love it because it really smells amazing. So I just go in, just remove all of the makeup, guys. You see, because we need to go to bed with a clean skin. No product on the skin, and we need our skin to breathe. So it's that. So the thing I do here, I make sure I'm using this Hautsache. I found this one too. It's really amazing, so I decided to use it. It's a foam, so I wet my face as it has really particles, like small particles in it. I just go. Normally it forms a foam, but I don't know what's happening today. So after that, I just wash it. So washing the face, I just dry it a little bit, not really drying it completely. Then I use the Sephora double exfoliation. This product, I have it for long. It stays for so long. When you just put it, it brings the warmth. It has this sand kind of particles, which it makes your skin while clean. So I do exfoliate my skin at least once a week. I don't really exaggerate it with my skin because I don't have bad skin. My skin is really good. I've never experienced any issues with my skin. So this if you want to get this, just check on this. I think you can see it. It's really good. I've been using it now for a year, and yeah, I can't complain anything. It makes the skin amazing clean. You can extend it to your neck. I mean, you can even use washing towel to scratch, but I don't use it because I don't want to exaggerate and scratch my skin. So I only use my hand, my palm. I just massage it and I leave it for like 10 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes, and then I just wash it, guys. Yeah, after washing it, we just continue. So I just keep on like massaging, you know. You stay with it like 6 to 10 minutes. You just go on, wash it. I wash my face with cold water, so we're going to do that. So guys, you see, it's so clean, it's glowing. It's glowing, it's really glowing. And yeah, look at the face, guys. It's so clean. So after that, guys, it feels so soft, really soft, amazing soft, guys. Look the way it's snatched, it's glowing, it's, oh my god, it's like baby skin. Just really products that you get on your drugstore, and you don't have to break the bank, guys. You don't have to go spending a lot of money for expensive products when you can get these. So far I've used these products, you see, so far. So we're going to continue, and now I'm just going to go in with Insan. This is also from my drugstore. It's vitamin C syrup. So I just go in. So I'm just going to spread everything. Spreading everything evenly. So look at that, guys. You don't need really a lot of products. So yeah, and then I'm going to go in with my Judy Williams vitamin C and C serum cream. Guys, you can see this. You can see it. So I just pump, and I'm just going to go in like that. That's it. And we're going just to spread everything as well. This is in the evening, guys. I don't really I'm not the kind of person I do use a lot of products. Normally that's my routine. That's it, nothing much. No more a lot of products. I don't need them. I am so glad that my skin is so easy to take care of with a lot of products. Lastly, I'm just going to go in with my Sun Ozone 50 plus. So I'm just going to take just a little bit, as you can see, and I'm just going to go in as well like that, and we're going to spread it everywhere. Sun cream is really important, guys, for your skin. I used not to take care of, I used not to be really into sun cream that much, but at times I realize that really it's good. Even if it's winter, I still do it, although sometimes I do forget to use it, but nowadays I make sure that at least I have the sun cream on my face, guys, when I do the process. So guys, I am done for the evening. I think you can see that my skin is so amazing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's really lastly, I have my I've been using this Essence lip with oatmeal lip balm. So I apply this in the evening. It protects my lips really well at night anyway. So and that's what I use in the evening, guys, or normally, mostly those are my products I use for my routine. So I have, as I told you, I have the face pads which I use for makeup removing, and then the cleaning products, these cleaning products, and then we go on with lip balm, the serum cream, and then we go also with our vitamin C. So these are the products I use, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and please make sure you give some thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, take care of your skin. Always try to use things that you can afford, and there are a lot of there. We don't have to do other people what they do because they can afford. So if you cannot afford, Drugstore can give you amazing products without breaking the bank. So here are mine.